we have seen what is meant by functional group, what is meant by alkyl group, what is meant by homologous series. Now we are going to see the classification of organic compounds on the basis of functional group. Now here organic compounds are classified into various classes on the basis of functional group. We are going to see one by one. Now first is alkene. First is alkane. Now alkane is the aliphatic saturated hydrocarbons having carbon-carbon single bond. Functional group of alkane, that is there is no functional group in alkane, that is there is presence of only carbon and hydrogen atom in the molecule. General formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. And the examples of alkane are methane, that is CH4, and ethane, that is C2H6. Now second class is alkene. Now functional group of alkene is C double bond C. Alkenes are aliphatic unsaturated hydrocarbons having carbon-carbon double bond in the molecule. Now general formula of alkene is CnH2n, and the examples are CH2 double bond CH2, that is ethylene, and CH3 CH double bond CH2, that is propene. Now third, alkyne. Alkynes are the aliphatic unsaturated hydrocarbons having carbon-carbon triple bond in the molecule. Functional group of alkyne is C triple bond C, and general formula of alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. For example, acetylene Sc triple bond CH. Second example is propyne, that is CH3 C triple bond CH. Then third, alkyl halides. Now here functional group of alkyl halide is X, that is halogen atom. It is either chlorine, bromine or iodine. General formula of alkyl halide is CnH2n plus 1 X, or general representation is Rx. Now we know that what is meant by R. R is a alkyl group and X is a halogen atom. Therefore it is called as alkyl halide. For example, CH3Cl, that is methyl chloride, or second CH3CH2Br, that is ethyl bromide. Now 5 number, cyanides or alkyl cyanides or alkane nitriles. Functional group of alkyl cyanide or alkane nitrile is Cn. General formula is CnH2n plus 1 Cn. General representation is RC triple bond N, where R is alkyl group and this is Cn is functional group. For example, CH3Cn, that is methyl cyanide, and second example CH3CH2 C triple bond N, that is ethyl cyanide. Then sixth number, isocyanide or alkyl isocyanide. Functional group of alkyl isocyanide is N triple bond C. That is here it is the isomer of this Cn. That is N C triple bond C. General formula is CnH2n plus 1 N triple bond C. General representation is R and C, where R is alkyl group or hydrocarbon radical. For example, CH3NC, that is methyl isocyanide, and CH3CH2NC, that is ethyl isocyanide. Seventh number is nitro compounds. Now the functional group of nitro compound is NO2. General formula of nitro compound is CnH2n plus 1 NO2, and general representation is RNO2. R is a alkyl group or hydrocarbon radical. Now here for example CH3NO2, that is this is methyl group. Here name of this compound is nitromethane. Second, CH3CH2, it is ethyl group. And NO2 group is attached to ethyl group, therefore it is nitroethane. Then 8 number, alcohol. Functional group of alcohol is OH. General formula of alcohol is CnH2n plus 1 OH, or it is CnH2n plus 2 O. General representation is ROH, where R is alkyl group or hydrocarbon radical. Now here first example is CH3OH. That is, this R is here methyl group, therefore it is methyl alcohol. Second example CH3CH2OH, where R is ethyl group, therefore it is ethyl alcohol. Then 9 number, phenol. Now the functional group of alcohol and phenol is same, that is OH, or it is hydroxy group. Now here this hydroxy group, when directly attached to aromatic ring or benzene ring, then it is called as phenol. Now general representation of phenol is AROH. Now we know that what is meant by AR. Like alkyl group, AR is a aryl group. That is, when one hydrogen atom from benzene is removed, then it becomes aryl group, AROH. For example, phenol. Molecular formula of phenol is C6H5OH, and the structural formula of phenol is like this. That is hexagonal ring with alternate double bond, single bond in the ring, and OH group is directly attached to this benzene ring. Then 10 number is primary amines. Now amines are the derivatives of ammonia, that is NH3. Ammonia means NH3, and when one hydrogen atom from ammonia is replaced by one alkyl group, then it becomes primary amine, that is RNH2 is the primary amine. Therefore the functional group of amine is NH2. General formula of amine is CnH2n plus 1 NH2. General representation is RNH2, like this. That is, one hydrogen atom from ammonia is replaced by alkyl group, therefore it is primary amine. For example, CH3NH2. Now this is methyl group, therefore it is methylamine. Second example, CH3CH2NH2. This is ethyl group, that is C2H5, therefore it is ethylamine. Then 11 number, secondary amine. Now it is also derivative of ammonia, and in which when two hydrogen atoms from ammonia are replaced by two alkyl group, then it becomes secondary amine. It is secondary amine. Now functional group of this secondary amine is NH, or it is named as imine. General formula of this secondary amine is CnH2n plus 2. General formula of secondary amine is CnH2n plus 1 2 times NH. That is, nitrogen atom is bonded to two alkyl group, therefore it is CnH2n plus 1 2 times NH. General representation is RNRH. Now here these two alkyl groups may be similar or different. If they are similar, then it is simple amine. If they are different, then it is mixed or unsymmetrical amine. For example, CH3NH-CH3. Here there are two methyl group which is bonded to NH or imine group, therefore it is dimethylamine. Second example is CH3NH-C2H5. Now this nitrogen atom is bonded to one methyl group and one ethyl group, therefore it is ethyl-methylamine. Then 12 number, tertiary amine. Now when three hydrogen atoms from ammonia are replaced by three alkyl group, then it becomes tertiary amine. Now here functional group of tertiary amine is N, that is nitride. General formula is CnH2n plus 1 3 times N. That is, here in tertiary amines nitrogen atom is bonded to three alkyl group. Therefore here alkyl groups are 3, CnH2n plus 1 3 times N. General representation is R, N. That is, nitrogen is bonded to three alkyl groups. For example, trimethylamine, that is nitrogen is bonded to 3-methyl group, CH3, CH3 and CH3. Now here also these 3R or 3 alkyl group in tertiary amines may be similar or different. If they are similar, then it is called as simple amine. And if they are different, then they are called as mixed or unsymmetrical amines. Number, ether. Functional group of ether is O. Ether is the derivative of water in which 2 hydrogen atoms from water are replaced by alkyl group. Now general formula of ether is CnH2n plus 2O. In ether, this oxygen atom is bonded to 2 alkyl group. Therefore, general representation is ROR. For example, CH3OCH3. Now it is dimethyl ether. Here, these 2 alkyl groups may be similar or different. If these 2 alkyl groups are similar, then it is simple ether. And if these 2 alkyl groups are different, then it is mixed ether. Now this first example is of simple ether, that is CH3OCH3, that is dimethyl ether. And second example is CH3OC2H5, that is ethyl methyl ether. 14 number. Then 14 number is aldehyde. Functional group of aldehyde is C double bond OH or it is CHO. Name of this functional group is formyl. General representation or first general formula. General formula is CnH2nO. General representation is RC double bond OH or RCHO. For example, this alkyl group is attached to this CHO group, that is CH3C double bond OH. That is methyl group is attached to aldehyde group, therefore it is acetaldehyde. And second example, CH3CH2C double bond OH. This is propionaldehyde. Next one is ketone. Now the functional group of ketone is C double bond O. That is, this carbonyl group is bonded to 2 alkyl group. General formula is CnH2nO. Now the general formula of aldehyde and this ketone is same. Therefore these aldehydes and ketones are isomers of each other. General representation is RC double bond OR. Here these 2 R may be similar or different. If they are similar, then it is simple ketone. If they are different, then it is mixed ketone. For example, CH3C double bond OCH3. This carbonyl group is attached to same alkyl group. Therefore, it is example of simple ketone. Name is acetone. Second example, CH3C double bond OC2H5. Now this carbonyl group is bonded to 2 different alkyl groups, that is ethyl and methyl group. It is example of mixed ketone. Name of this ketone is ethyl methyl ketone. Then next class is carboxylic acid. Functional group of carboxylic acid is C double bond OOH. General formula is CnH2nO2. General representation is RC double bond OOH. That is, this COH group is attached to alkyl group. For example, CH3C double bond OOH. That is, methyl group is bonded to this functional group. Name of this compound is acetic acid. Then next 17 number is ester. Now this ester, the functional group of ester is C double bond OOR. General formula of ester is CnH2nO2. Now the general formula of carboxylic acid and ester are similar and therefore they are functional isomers of each other. General representation is RC double bond OOR. Now example is CH3C double bond OCH3. Name of this compound is methyl acetate. Then 18 number is amide. Functional group of amide is C double bond ONH2. That is, carbonyl group is bonded to NH2 group. Then it is called as amide. General formula of amide is CnH2n plus 1 CONH2. General representation is RC double bond ONH2. Example, CH3 C double bond ONH2. That is, methyl group is bonded to CONH2 group. Therefore, it is acetamide. Next, 19 number, secondary amide. We have seen primary amide, now this is secondary amide. Functional group of secondary amide is C double bond ONH. Now here, general representation is RC double bond ONHR. Example is N-methyl acetamide. Now here, this nitrogen atom is bonded to methyl group, therefore it is N-methyl. And this is acetamide, therefore it becomes N-methyl acetamide. Then tertiary amides. In tertiary amide, this nitrogen atom. Now we know that what is meant by amide. Amides are C double bond ONH2. In case of primary amide, there are two hydrogen atom bonded to nitrogen atom.
In secondary amide,
there is only one hydrogen atom bonded to nitrogen atom. Therefore, the general representation is RC double bond ONHR. Now, in case of tertiary amide, this nitrogen atom is not bonded to any hydrogen atom, but it is bonded to two alkyl groups. The functional group is C double bond ON, and general representation is RC double bond ONRR. That is, this nitrogen is bonded to two alkyl groups. For example, CH3 C double bond O and CH3 CH3. Now this nitrogen atom bonded to two alkyl group, that is two methyl group, therefore it becomes N-dimethyl acetamide. The next one, acid anhydride. Functional group of acid anhydride is C double bond O, C double bond O. That is, two carbonyl groups are bonded to one oxygen atom. Then general representation is R C double bond O, C double bond O, R. And example is CH3 C double bond O, C double bond O, CH3. This is acetic anhydride. Now how it is formed? When two molecules of carboxylic acid, that is CH3 C double bond OH. This is acetic acid and this is second molecule of acetic acid. When they undergo intermolecular dehydration, that is removal of minus H2O, one water molecule is removed from two acetic acid molecule, then we will get CH3 C double bond O, C double bond O, CH3, that is acetic anhydride. This is acetic anhydride. Then next one is acyl chloride. Now this functional group of acyl chloride is C double bond O, Cl. And general representation is R C double bond O, Cl. This R is any alkyl group. Now here it is methyl group, CH3 C double bond O, Cl. Therefore it is acetyl chloride. And last one, that is 23, sulfonic acid. Functional group of sulfonic acid is SO3H. That is, this is sulfur which is bonded to 3 oxygen atom and 1 hydrogen atom. That is SO3H group. General representation is RSO3H. And example is C6H5 SO3H. That is benzene sulfonic acid. If this C6H5 is replaced by CH3 group, then it becomes methyl sulfonic acid. In this way, organic compounds are classified on the basis of functional group.